Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Samuel D. Kaya. I am your travel and opportunities companion, bringing you meaningful life-changing opportunities right to your fingertips. In this video, I will be telling you about our next opportunity, which has to do with peace building. If you are working in the area of conflict resolution, peace building, mediation, and dialogue, and we want to have training or capacity building in this peace building work, then there is an opportunity for you. Now, stay tuned on this video as I will tell you about the existing opportunities. Before then, please like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification icon so that every time we post a new video, you can be the very first person to access it. Now, let's go to our opportunity. The International Training on Mediation and Dialogue, the ITDM, is a program of the Department of Peace and Conflict Research at Uppsala University in Sweden. And they want me to nominate a peace builder for their next program. You will spend 2 weeks, and I repeat, 2 weeks fully sponsored, fully supported, including visa support at the Uppsala University in Sweden. So if you are interested in participating in this program and or you have been working in peace building, including settling land disputes, settling religious and ethnic conflicts and or other conflicts, then this is a glorious opportunity for you to get nominated by me. So before we go into how the program works, please make sure to stick to this channel by subscribing so that every time we post a new opportunity, you can be the very first person to receive it. Now, let me take you through how my nomination works. Thank you very much. Hello guys, are you into peace building or mediation and dialogue or conflict resolution in general? Do you work to resolve land disputes, interreligious conflicts, or cross-border and political conflicts? If you work in the area of peace building, then this opportunity is right to your fingertips. The International Training on Dialogue and Mediation 2022 is right for you. So let's get to this opportunity and give you the exciting ingredients that it comes with. All right. Now, the ITDM, or the International Training on Dialogue and Mediation, is a program of the Department of Peace and Conflict Research at Uppsala University in Sweden. This program is run in partnership with the Dag Hammarskjöld Foundation, the former Secretary General of the UN. So it brings together different practitioners, people who are working in conflict resolution from the community level, the national level, cross-border levels, to acquire the skills, the resources, and the tools to advance their works in peace and conflict issues. So this program will actually start in June. All right. So we got a couple of weeks for this program to kick off. It will kick off on the 7th of June 2022. So it has two phases. Phase 1 starts on June 7th and ends on the 11th. And the second phase will start August 23rd to the 27th. And this program is run by Uppsala University Department of Peace and Conflict Research. So it is a fully funded program in Sweden, and so the costs that are taken care of by The organizers include your visa costs, your insurance, hotel accommodation and feeding, local transportation while in Sweden, um, your ticket or airfare, and a moderate per diem pocket money for the duration of the program. So this program is actually um, intensive in terms of the training, but it's very, very rewarding because it has a very huge network, including diplomats, people from different UN agencies, um, and other organizations. So if you are working in peace and conflict on peace and conflict issues, and very keen on resolving conflicts, whether it is in your community, family related conflicts, or within the religious groups, cross border or political conflicts or land issues, then the program is right for you. So how does it work? This program requires nomination, all right? So, and that is where we've come to get you. Sorry. Okay, let's get there. So, all right. So the program requires um, an organization to nominate you, or an alumni of the program to nominate you. So, having participated in this program and being an alumni of Uppsala University, then you are at the right place because they have communicated with me to nominate somebody, all right, for this program. So this is the nomination form, and the form is here. All that I will need to do is to download the form and fill it up with the relevant information. Okay, so let's go back a little bit so that we are um, on course with our presentation. So before I can nominate you, if you are interested in this program, you need to submit a resume to 10,000 opportunities at gmail.com. All right. So send off your CV or your resume to 10,000 opportunities at gmail.com, including a short description of the works you are doing in peace building. It should not be more than 200 words, all right? It should not be more than 200 words. So when I'm filling in the form, I'm going to understand exactly. I just want to have a little background of the works that you do. Then I will know exactly what to write about you. Okay, so you have to submit two things: your CV and a short description of yourself, the work that you do in peace building. Okay, if you work on land issue, you work on religious conflicts or environmental conflicts, or conflicts that are politically related, whatever conflict that you work on, it is an exciting opportunity for you, and you are just at the right place because as an alumni of the program, nominating you, it gives you the leverage. All right. So because I've participated in the program, I know exactly what information they need from practitioners who are going to submit application for this program. Okay, so let's go back a little bit and come to um, the form, which is already opening. Okay, so for this program, this form, I'm going to fill it up, and because let me come back here. Okay, so the reason why I'm requesting for your short description is because I want to have an understanding of what exactly your role is
in the area of peace building. So when you are submitting a short description, make sure you submit a description in the context of the peace building works or your conflict resolution works that you're doing across your community, so that I will be able to fill out the form as per the information that you provide and what the organizers are looking for. All right. So it also includes your CV. Okay. When you are sending your CV, make sure that it actually relates to, sorry, sorry, okay, sorry. So make sure that your CV relates to peace building, conflict resolution, whether it is across your community or if within the I mean amongst or between religions or political conflicts, whatever conflicts that you work on, the program is actually your match. So there is no cause to worry. Now, let's go to the form. It has opened. And so this is what it looks like. Okay. This is what the form looks like. International Training on Dialogue and Mediation 2022. Okay. And again, if you work for an organization that is into peace building, they can nominate you. But an alumni that they have already communicated with, because they have communicated with all of the alumni of the program to nominate. Okay. So once an alumni of the program nominates, there is a higher leverage in terms of, because we already understand what the program is. But it doesn't mean that your organization cannot select you, no, or nominate you. Your organization can nominate you. Okay. So you don't have to fill up a form. You don't have the work to do. Either your organization or me got the work to do. So this is the form. Okay. And okay. So this is how the form looks like. Okay. This is how it looks like. Okay. So it said this is the nomination form for formal applications to the international training on dialogue and mediation to take place online 7 to the 11th of June and in Uppsala, Sweden from 23rd to 27th of August, organized jointly by the Hammarskjöld Foundation and the Department of Peace and Conflict Research at Uppsala University. So employers of prospective applicants officially nominate and support the formal application of the applicant. Okay, so you don't have the work to do, your employer or me. Okay, so um, this is the form, and that's just it. So it's a very simple application. Very simple. All right. Very simple application. Okay, so guys, yes, you're good to go. And here you have an opportunity to get nominated by me. Make sure if you are interested in this program, send your CV or resume to 10,000opportunities@gmail.com and your short description so that I can nominate you to this exciting opportunity. Remember, it is a fully sponsored program as well. You are not going to pay a dime, neither are you going to cover the cost of anything. They are supporting you fully. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe, because when you subscribe to the channel and we upload opportunities, it will reach to your fingertips automatically. So you will have it right on your phone or your computer. So we don't want you to miss up or miss out on any opportunity. Okay? So please subscribe, like, and make sure that you turn on your notification icon. Also, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section of this video. If you have a question, if you have a comment, Don't relent. Just leave it in the comment section and we will be glad to respond to whatsoever concern that you will have. So thank you very much for joining us on this glorious opportunity. It is now right at your fingertips and the ball is in your court. I wish you all of the best. Good luck in your endeavor as we continue to bring you more exciting opportunities and catch you up for our next opportunity in 2 days' time. Have a great day.